Welcome back, guys. Today is part 5 of the G82 build series. Today we're going to be installing a carbon lip sent out by Extreme Online Store. So they also sent me a full carbon side skirt, which we're going to be installing in the next video. But yeah, after that we're going to be heading to Berlin Classic, which is a car show. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm actually going to be heading to Taz Auto Spa to do the install, so we're going to head out there now and then let's get started.
Depot on the beat.
Before we get to the install, this Lime Rock M5 is going to do some donuts. The M4 is pretty dirty, so I'm just giving it a quick spray down before we install the lip. Right now we're going to be installing the Extreme Online Store lip. So all we got to do is jack up the car, then we should be good to go.
Since the moment he purchased it, he's been snapping it every single.
Now that the car's jacked up, all we're going to do is remove the 8mm bolts underneath the front bumper. So pretty much the lip is just going to mount into those OEM placements.
Depot on the beat.
After you remove those 8mm bolts, all you're gonna do is line up the centerpiece with the OEM placements of the bolts, and then you're just gonna screw them back in. Now that we got the middle part installed, we're gonna move on to the side pieces. For the side pieces, it's pretty much the same process. All we got to do is remove the 2 more 8mm bolts underneath, and then we're going to lay them on top and then screw them in the way they came out. After you have removed the 2 8mm bolts, all you're going to want to do is line it up, make sure everything fits right, and then you're going to pretty much hand tighten the 8mm bolts back into place, and then we're going to screw them back in. The nice thing about this lip is that it uses OEM fitment, so you don't need to worry about drilling any new holes in your bumper. Right here, I'm just hand tightening the second bolt, making sure everything fits correctly, and then we're going to properly tighten them. Here it is. I'm really happy with how it came out. The fitment is amazing, so thank you again, Extreme Online Store, for sending these out. If you guys want any other products, there's going to be a link in the description below. All we got to do now is lower the car and see how this thing looks aired out. I'm really happy with how the lip came out. I'm just gonna pull the car outside so we can have a better look at it. Some more of the guys just pulled up. We got 2 G80s and Tenny's car here. I think we're gonna line them up and grab some photos. We got like a reverse Oreo going on here. We got Tenny's car, my car, and 2 other G80s.
Hey, what up, man? It's your big boy Fafa over here, man. We got a couple motherfucking M classes right here, man. We got my boy Tenny with Taz.
So what's up, man?
We got Southside E-Rock hiding from the camera. You already know. And we get busy. You already know, man.
All right, guys, we are on the way to Grand Bend at Berlin Classic. I'm just grabbing a coffee. All right, no worries. Have a good day. All right, guys, so we just got pulled over. We're on our way to Berlin Classic. And to see this cop kind of seems like an asshole. Yeah.
Driver's license, sir. I'll just take the whole package.
Oh.
So the reason I pulled you over, we got a bunch of traffic complaints regarding you guys driving in sequence at excessive speeds. Okay, so my one partner pulled a bunch of you guys over back there on line 20. So that's the reason why I pulled you over, okay?
Right, okay. Pretty much we got pulled over because people were complaining that we were going excessive speeds. They had no evidence, so we ended up getting off with just a no front plate ticket. But yeah, after that we head to Berlin.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason.
Alright, so we made it to Berlin Classic here in Grand Bend. We're gonna go check out some cars. It already seems pretty sick, but yeah, we're gonna also go on a minivan tour on the track. Alright, so we're about to go on an adventure in the race van. I guess we're just hopping into the adventure van.
Laps when people rent our
Yo, Florent, come.
Hey, yo. This bitch gonna flip. Do a flip. Do a flip. Body roll, everybody body roll, hey. Oh, shit. Oh, he's lifting, that's against the law, sir.
Van. Holy fuck, that guy was.
How many people are here?
What's your thoughts on Berlin Classic so far?
Damp, moist.
The van's the coolest part.
Yeah, the van was the coolest part.
It actually was. I agree, bro.
The van was pretty sick.
He's running faster times than GTIs
Dude,
up there.
we went 150 with 14 people in the van.
It was pretty fire.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think